Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to not burn homemade popcorn. Making popcorn at home is great, fast, and easy. And here's a few steps so you don't burn it at home. First, you want to add a couple tablespoons of popcorn kernels to a pan that's over medium-high heat. Then you want to add a couple tablespoons of oil. Make sure to use an oil like canola oil that can heat at a really high temperature. This is going to help prevent your homemade popcorn from burning. Now I'm just going to slide my pan back and forth. This is going to help the oil get over every single kernel. Now, when making your homemade popcorn, you want to watch it carefully. Don't walk away from the stove because it can burn before you know it. Once it starts to sizzle, I'm just going to keep rocking it back and forth. By continuously moving the popcorn kernels, you're preventing it from burning. Once your popcorn has begun popping, you're going to want to keep moving the pan back and forth. That's going to help prevent your popcorn from burning. When all the popcorn kernels have stopped popping, your popcorn is ready to serve. This is Mariko showing you how to not burn homemade popcorn. Enjoy.